Hello everyone, I'm Uselinja11 and today I am back with my part 2 of my Thomas Wooden Railway collection video. So right here we have Birdie, Terrence, Trevor, Elizabeth, Jack, Alfie, Oliver, Buster, Nelson, and a Crosby Station cargo truck. Over here we have my coaches. Over here we have Annie, Clarabelle, Victoria, my express coaches, and over there we have Pip and Emma's first and third class coaches, the Duke and Duchess's coach, Stephen's Open Castle coach, and Stephen's Castle coaches in general. Over here we have my trucks. So we have the Dynamite Scruffy that will be seen in my series, a Blue Mountain Quarry truck, Royal Crest car, Fossil Museum car, a milk tanker, an aquarium car, and a red cargo car. And over here we have my brake vans. Well, my two brake vans for now. Here we have Toad and a haunted caboose that I got with a haunted DVD video called Thomas's Haunted Adventures, I think it was called, where it shows a bunch of classic series episodes. Over here we have my extra engines. We have Snowplow Thomas, 60th Anniversary Gold Thomas, Introducing James, Coal Dust Percy, Chocolate Crunch Percy, Jack Frost Percy, and Royal Crest Toby that goes with the Royal Crest car over there. And over here we have my cranes. Over here we have Rocky, Kevin, and Cranky. And over here we have my take and play incline engine, Owen. So guys, I know part 2 was really short this time, but I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're watching this second part right now, please go and watch the first part. I hope you guys really did like it. So guys, this is Uselinja11 signing out. Take care, and wait until my collection video gets bigger when I show off all my custom items. Anyways, guys, I'll see you later. Take care, everyone.